We see many things around us. Some are living things, while some are non-living things. Things that have life are living things, like human beings, animals, and plants. Things that do not have life are non-living things, like umbrella, basket, fire engine, and many more. Living things can move, can grow, they need food and water, they can breathe, and can reproduce. While non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, reproduce, and they do not need food and water. Living things can move. Human beings move using their legs. Animals also use their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide, or swim using their body. Plants also show some movement, like the sunflower follows the direction of the sun. Living things grow. A baby grows into a child, which then grows into a man. A calf grows into a cow. A seed grows into a plant, which then grows into a huge tree. Living beings need food and water. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Living things can breathe. Human beings and animals breathe in fresh air using their lungs. Plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surroundings. Living things reproduce. Reproduction is the process in which living things give birth to a young one of its own kind. A woman gives birth to a baby. A cat gives birth to a kitten. Birds lay eggs, from which young ones come out and slowly grow into adults. Non-living things. Man-made things like house, cup, basket, chair, ball, truck, and many more are non-living things. Some of the natural things are also non-living things, such as sun, moon, and rock. Thank you.